Okay, we're back at the Home Depot, getting ready to pick up another item. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing. The RYOBI Jet Fan Blower. And this is the attachment that goes onto the expand-it base. And I'll show you what that is here in a moment. But let's do the unboxing, find out what comes with it. Okay, now as you see here, it does come with a 3-year limited warranty, as well as a 30-day no-risk guarantee. So that's a pretty good thing there. It fits, of course, RYOBI, which is what I have here. But it also does a whole bunch of other ones like Craftsman's, Cub Cadet, John Deere, McCullough, MTD, and etc. You can read them all the way from RYOBI to Yardman. So whatever your attachment needs are, let's see how this thing does. Now, looking on the box itself, it does say it has a 140 mile per hour blow ratio, and the fan design says it's for maximum cleaning power. Well, we're going to test that out. On the back side here, it does again give the specifications. The peak is actually 140, but the average is 120. So that should be more than enough to blow grass and leaves and that kind of stuff. Then of course on the force side, we do have again a nice little picture of what it's supposed to look like and how it's supposed to perform, but also additional attachments that I'm sure they would love for you to buy from them. So that's always a nice little feature, as they call it. So let's open this box up and see what we got. Okay, it has a reminder on the inside here to register your product, and it has different places you can go on Facebook, Twitter, all kinds of Pinterest, all kinds of stuff there on where you can join the conversation about this product and other RYOBI products. Oh, and also has the customer service phone number, and of course right there is the registration URL. Opening this up, not very fancy, but packaged pretty well. It has a little protector for the end. Pulls right out. Something on the bottom there. The operating manual. That's always nice to have. So let's put this puppy together. Now, as you saw from the previous video, we do have the brush cutter on the expanded base at the moment. We're going to show you how to swap these out, and then we're going to put this thing on a test drive. Okay, as you saw from the video before, don't forget to unloosen the clamp. There's, of course, a push button here that you are going to have to engage. Take that off. Okay, let's put this aside. You have the safety cap. Again, a push button you have to push in. That comes off, and then you put it on the piece of equipment that you took off, in this case the brush cutter. Then you just reverse the process. Don't forget to tighten your clamp down. Actually, it's not too bad. Now once the battery's in, it'll be a little more balanced. So I like that. So let's go ahead, put a battery in this thing, and let's get tested. Okay, don't know if you can see this or not, but doing that whole driveway, look at that. Just use one little bar of energy, that's it. Pretty cool.